Hello friends, I welcome you all warmly in my channel. In this video I just wanna show you that what type of email or messages we receive when our SAG expert account gets revoked. I'm also going to share some interesting tips and tricks with you so that you can avoid revocation of your SAG expert account. Hence for detailed explanation and information, please stay connected till the end of this video. Sure, let us start this video. First of all, I will take you in my Gmail account so that I can show you all the emails or messages which I have already received when my Shack Expert account had been revoked. You can see here that this email says that in order to ensure that students are being provided with the best answers possible, our reviewers review random samples of each expert work. Unfortunately, this is the second time that your answers did not meet our guidelines and your privileges as an expert answerer have been revoked. You can see here that time my Shack Expert account had been revoked. You can see here the first question number first which I have answered contains a website address. So this was a copyright violation. So I was awarded with 0 points. You can see my score for this question and this answer. And what is the website address? I will show you the address in the question also. Please wait, it is browsing right now. This is the question which contains the website address. You can see that there is a .com here. It is not clearly visible, but if you see it attentively, then you can see that there is a .com term is present here. So it is a copyright violation and it should not be answered, but I have already answered. So that time my Shag Expert account had been removed. In case of second questions, the mistakes which I have made that time and the reason for low score is mentioned under the comment section. You can see here that description of the basic methodology and basic principle necessary to solve the questions. That is, step by step explanation while solving the question is necessary. Direct answer is not allowed, and in that case I have answered a question directly, and for that I have awarded with only 2 points. But in case of question number 3, I have awarded with 5 points, and it is the maximum possible points. But in spite of all these, my account had been revoked that time. So these are the reason for the revocation of your. Hence the most important question which arises here is what should we do to stop revocation of our account? The first and foremost thing is immediately skip the question which contains any website address, link of any website, the name of any institution like name of colleges, universities, etc., name of any companies, the question which contains the term like exam quizzes which belongs to incoming future. The second thing is don't copy paste the answer which is not yours. Believe me, you can't pull wool over someone's eye. They easily get to know that it is copy paste work. They follow zero tolerance policy towards it. They will certainly revoke you from your answering privileges, hence avoid these malpractices. The third thing is answer only those questions about which you are 100% sure, because incomplete and wrong answers results in downvoting by the students, and again your CF score will start decreasing. Hence it is also not going to be beneficial for you. Hence these are the 3 most important guidelines which you must follow to continuously work with the SAG. My dear friends, I hope that this video will be a little bit helpful to you. All the best.